Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be giving you a first-hand, real user review on the Bose Frames Bluetooth sunglasses. And remember, if you want to check these out, check in the description below. I'm going to have a link to where you can find these. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Now, let's go find a place where I can actually shoot a video. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so like I said, these are the Bose square frame sunglasses. They actually have a couple versions of these, well, a couple being two. There's kind of the round lens ones, and then there are these square lens ones. So what these offer is these actually have little speakers here in the side that somehow, through the magic of technology, project the sound from these speakers directly into your ear right here. Honestly, I don't understand how they work myself, but I was in the PX, I put these on, and I'm like, holy crap, it sounds like I'm in a surround sound studio. It's actually really cool how they work. So honestly, you really just have to try them on to understand how exactly they work, but trust me, they do work, and you only know that if you actually try them. So what are they? Well, you can see here that they've got the little speakers here in the bottom, and then what they have is they have a button right here. So what this button does is this button activates the Bluetooth. So I've got a Galaxy S9, which I'm currently shooting on, so I can't show you how it connects exactly, but really all you do is you go into your Bluetooth, you hit Bluetooth, it'll come up as Bose Frames, you hit select, and they connect really, really well. They're not an Apple product, so they do connect really well to Android devices. I've got Apple AirPods as well, and what's kind of annoying about Apple AirPods is they don't connect very well to Android devices. These ones, however, don't seem to have that issue at all. You click that thing, and they just connect right up. They say, you click it, it says battery at 49%, and then it connects, and you press it once, it presses play, press again, it presses pause. Now, you can't really turn these glasses off. They kind of have to turn off on their own. There is no real off switch. All right, guys, so those are the glasses. They've got kind of the gold hinges here. They look like pretty much like any normal glasses, like kind of hipster-style glasses that anyone might wear. The only real difference is it's a little bit thicker in the frames here. All right, guys, so I've covered what the glasses are, like how they look and how they sit on my face and all that good stuff. So now let's talk about whether these are something you should actually buy. Well, honestly, I'm a little bit torn on this because, well, they are cool. The frames are really, really cool. It's like Bose put the frames together, built these really cool frames, and then just kind of threw some plastic lenses in there. So I gotta say the lenses on these glasses are kind of leaving a lot to be desired. They're not very dark. I don't know if you can see, but you can already see my eyes through the lenses. So they're not very dark, and the worst part is, though, they're plastic. So any of you guys who wear sunglasses a lot know that, guess what? Plastic scratches really easily. And so I've used these quite a bit, but I've been very careful because I know that plastic is something that scratches on a regular basis. So if you do get these, you need to be aware that these are probably not going to be rough use glasses. So if you're a construction worker, landscaper, like, you do a lot of the blue collar stuff like I do, you got to be careful with these. Now, I don't know what kind of waterproof rating these have. I haven't looked into that. I haven't really gotten them wet because I don't want to get them wet. But, honestly, overall, for what they are, for the quality of sound you get out of these speakers, they're pretty dang cool. So, are they worth the money? Now, the price tag on these is a little bit steep. It's about $179 to $199, depending on where you're buying them from. Are they something you should buy? Well, I mean, I bought them. I think they're pretty dang cool. I'm not like crazy over the moon about them because honestly, I'm a little bit annoyed that they put plastic lenses inside these. They should definitely have glass lenses. But, for the price, you're getting some really cool little speakers. You plug these things in, they connect to your phone, and you can just be strolling down. You can talk on the phone on them. You can use them in a lot of different situations. And one thing that's nice is there's nothing in your actual ear, so it doesn't actually block sound from entering your ear. When you've got earbuds in or whatever, there's the actual physical earbud that actually blocks sound from getting into your ear. Well, you don't have that problem with these glasses. The only other real downside I can think of to these is that when you go indoors, it either looks funny because you keep your sunglasses on if you want to keep listening to your music, or you got to take your sunglasses off and then, well, you're not listening to music anymore. So those are a few downsides, but I mean, that goes along with any kind of sunglasses. Dang, there are a lot of bugs out here. Ugh, man, frickin' North Carolina, guys. Do not come here. I want to go back to California as soon as I freaking can. Gotta love Camp Lejeune. Anyway, alright, guys, so those are some of the pros and cons to the glasses. My review on these glasses, or my rating on these glasses, is they're a really cool product. They're going to be cool to show your friends. They're going to be fun to utilize. They may not be the most practical overall. Like, if you've got the choice between AirPods and these, I definitely go with AirPods because, you can put it one in or the other in, all that good stuff. But overall, they're a pretty cool product. You got some extra money, you got a paycheck lying around, you want to get some cool, then go ahead and pick them up. Those are the glasses. That's my review. Hey, if you like this video, do a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I've got a link to these glasses below, so if you want to check these glasses out, actually see what they write about them, check that out below. Other than that, have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.